So that's cool. Oh, and there's a new update with daily rewards. So that's pretty cool. Yo.
You're using gravity flip. Bro, imagine I am.
Added supporter club.
What? I glitched it.
Oh, added fat
I
suit
keep
and
on
shell.
climbing it.
Made a new turn system.
Yeah.
Added daily reward.
I
We're gonna
glitched
be
it.
showing-
Wait. I have a banana grinder. I glitched it. I have a banana grinder.
How did you do it?
Monkey
Yeah, let's go.
from YouTube.
I can get.
What?
I want the banana grinder.
So, added supporter club. So there's a new supporter club which we're gonna actually be showing off. I'm actually really excited for this. Apparently, maybe it's in here? No? Bro, that's cool. We're gonna go hop in. It told me it was in the club and there's a little door, so the supporter stuff is in there. Yeah, I'm excited to see that. So I was in that club and I didn't even look in there. Like, I was close to it, but I didn't look in there. But that's okay. It's okay. I'm happy that he told me because I would have never found out. Now, I'm the only one making a video because it was not on YouTube. I searched many different things.
I know that the hole in the wall.
When you
What?
say the monkey, you're gonna.
No.
Wait, let me draw you.
They were just joining this code. My name is Hungry in game. Most of the time I'm wearing cosmetics, but right now I'm not. But yeah, if you meet me, I'm wearing a fit. But if you meet me, I'll be hungry. And if I'm faking it, then tell me to pull out the supporter stuff and the donator club. Here we go. So it's not called supporter club, it's called donator club. How do I? Epilepsy warning? I don't have. If you have epilepsy, please get off. What? Blast? How do I turn it off? Yeah, if anyone with epilepsy, please stop watching. Oh wait, there's a little room over here. What does this do? Bro. Oh, that's how you're really supposed to get up there. But I just go like this. I don't think this is copyrighted. Bro, this is cool. I can't get out. Oh, and you can get up here now, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure you weren't able to. Yes, you were, because I could do that. I don't really know. Yo, you can also carry these, which is cool to me. Hey guys, whenever I find every collectible in this game, I'm gonna show you where they're all at. Well, I'm gonna show them off. I don't know where they're on yet, but I'm not going to try to find all collectibles in this game. So yeah, thank you for watching this with me. I appreciate it. So far, don't drop this. I also am a trusted user. Well, if you don't believe me, because I did that with my hands, I am a trusted user, and I get the trusted user hot tub. But yeah, this club looks really cool, and I really like it. So good job, Monkeys Run. Actually, you're actually growing and doing decent for your game. Bye.